Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. Jay Lapp with you. Here today I have a fifth wheel to show you. This is a beautiful fifth wheel. It is a Columbus by Palomino. I believe that's a Forest River for you. We have got a 340 RK, so this has rear kitchen in it. We've got 3 slides on this trailer. It is a 37-foot trailer. We've got hydraulic, auto jacks, all kinds of stuff to show you. So we're gonna open it up and then we're gonna walk around the outside and then we're gonna show you the inside, so let's get to it. We have got the Columbus opened up. Like I said, 340 RK. This is a 37-foot trailer. Got the awning out. We've got the slides out. I'm gonna walk you around and show you what we got out here. First, the pass-through. Got your central vacuum system. You've got your outdoor entertainment. You also have cable and satellite hookups, as well as a battery disconnect. Nice big pass-through storage area. We've got a 6-point leveling system. It is automatic and hydraulic. We've got 2 small tanks on this side that'll pull out, and we've got 1 big one on the other side, which you can see in the front storage area, which is right here. So a nice big front storage area. Obviously you got the fifth wheel hitch here. You got a loading light. That's where the other tank is. Other side of the pass-through, hanging right here, we have our auto leveling system, which is conveniently on a little panel, so you can walk around and make sure your landing is good. We've got your connections, your tank levers there, your water filter, hookups. Here's another slide. Great exterior on this trailer. Nice and clean. Got roof access. All the flush windows. Here's our other slide in the back, so we have opposing slides in the back. You'll be able to see that when we go in. And that is our exterior, so let's take a look inside. So as we go up the stairs here, come right into the living room. Dining room and a rear kitchen. As you can see, this really opens up living space. Got the high ceilings of the fifth wheel. Got a ceiling fan, got the pendant lights. Got this nice island counter here that separates the kitchen from the living area, but keeps it wide open. So we've got a couch here that'll fold out for sleeping. On this slide out, we've got the double recliner sofa. In the front of the living space, we've got the fireplace, we've got the TV, we've got a lot of cabinet space. Got the nice little puck lighting. Got some up lighting up there above in the cabinets. Got the nice trim package here with the Columbus that you get. Just a sharp looking trailer. So in the back, a lot of countertop space when you're not using the appliances. Plus added countertop space right here. We've got the double stainless steel sink. We've got the retractable faucet. We have the stove, oven combination. I switched those up. That's the stove and that's the oven, but you get what I mean. We have a convection microwave. oven. We have a 4-door stainless steel upgrade fridge. So the fridge part is all wide open. And then up in the freezer, we've got 2 sides of the freezer. Wide open there. More cabinet space above and below. Very functional. Love the layout of this. Love how open it is. Entertaining would not be an issue in here. Relaxing, also not an issue. So we have central vac as well. Here's our control panel. This will get you your slides, your water pump, your lights, your fan, all of that. Little charging station right inside. Got a coat closet. Actually deep and functional. Look at that. You could actually hang some stuff there. Okay, steps, we're going up to the left before we get to the master bedroom. We have the bathroom. Nice and light. We've got the power vent above. We've got the toilet here. We have got a nice large shower with a seat. Right inside to the right here we have our sink. More storage above and below. We've got the medicine cabinet there. And as we come to the side here, we have more storage. Right there. Very functional. Bathroom. Got your thermostat. We do have 2 AC units, so this will cover the back zone. This AC unit has the controls on it, but the bedroom does have its own AC. This is your slide control for the back. Lights. Thermostat. So this is on a slide here, this queen bed. These do come with queen mattresses, but as you can see on the sides, they give you room if you want to upgrade to a king. You've got a little bit of shelving on the side, but overall you got the little book reading lights on the back end there. More storage underneath the bed. Front, we have a lot of storage behind these sliding mirrored doors. So if the light adjusts, I don't know if it will, if you'll be able to see this, but we've got shelving there, got hanging, got more storage underneath. Those do have drawers, more shelves back there, and a little shelf up top. So a lot of room there. In this we have a setup for a washer dryer. We have the extra dining chairs, and we have the central vac hookups. Here you can see you got your wardrobe, so nice deep drawers there. That is where the TV goes. This is our 2014 Columbus 340 RK. If anyone has any questions about this trailer, please give us a call. Souder Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.